Hello everyone, I got a hold of these Paldea Friends mini tins. Let's open some up and see what we find inside. Look at all this new artwork featuring Pommet and Leconk, Pikachu and Capsakid, Sprigatito and Fido, Fuecoco, and Quaxley and Smoleaf. Let's go with this one. Nice artwork. We have some Fuecoco cards. 2 of them. And inside we have a Scarlet and Violet and Silver Tempest booster packs. Let's open up this Silver Tempest pack first.
Let's get lucky.
Code card. Guess the energy. Lightning energy. Breaksin. Morpeko. Capturing Aroma. Phanpy. Indeedee. Mariani. Misdreavus. Swablu. Toxapex.
And a Frostlass rare.
Let's open pack number 2 of this Paldea Friends mini tin. Are you going to be opening these? Let me know in the comments. Code card. Leaf Energy. Wiglet. Breevert. Maskiff. Spewpaw. Breloom. Kilowattrel. Crocodile. Professor's Research. Leconk. And a Cyclizar.